It's day 16. It's very late. I understand that. I understand it's too late. Not really too late, but my time is it's almost 9 p.m. I think Indian time is like it's like 12. It's like 12 a.m. Maybe 11 something, but it's fine. I just want to keep the streak going. So even if we stream for like 1 hour, that will be enough for me. Like at least would have done something now. So yeah. This is show you guys like bro, I'm ready to like keep the grind going, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I just wanna keep the streak going. I don't wanna kill the streak, man. I'm already disappointed, bro. You know, the reason why I'll tell you guys soon, but I'm highly disappointed, bro. I went to the market and things just didn't turn out as expected, bro. And it just annoyed me. But it is what it is. We're gonna yeah, for real. It's day 15, man. It's half of the month. So we've been streaming for like half of the month already. Chris was good, man. Welcome to the stream. FBI, my brother, you're always there for me, man. Thank you. What's up, man? What happened? I'll tell you, bro. I'll tell you guys on Discord. I don't know. I don't want to speculate on YouTube, but at the end of the day, it's not really like something very like big. But look, bro, the MacBook that I wanted to go and get is like something that we agreed upon like ever since I think 4 months ago, bro. It was like a plan that was on the way for like 4 months now. And instead of like the person, respecting their end of the bargain, because for me, I already gave him the money, and it's not like I'm getting the stuff like and I'm not paying for it. I paid for it already. But we agreed it's like, yo, the stuff is gonna be here by like 4 months from now. I mean, we didn't even. It was supposed to be here like 1 month later, but yeah, it ended up going for 4 months, and now it's like this is the fourth month. So turns out the person didn't even call me that yo, MacBook, like the MacBook reached and all of that. So when I went to his place, I went and found a MacBook there. But then he told me that yo, that MacBook is like not the MacBook of yours that I was intending to bring. I'm like, what? This isn't it the 32 GB version? Like literally it's the same MacBook. But at the end of the day, people just gonna do what they gotta do, man. And yeah, I'm just not happy, bro. Like literally, I'm not happy. So it's fine, man. I'm just gonna wait. He told me to wait at the end of the month, so I'm just gonna wait to see how it goes, bro. But I'm not happy, like literally, man. I'm just disappointed, bro. Shit is just annoying, bro. I don't know. But anyways, that is out of the way. Let's just maintain our happiness and let's keep a big smile on our face. Thank you guys for supporting me, bro. Like you guys are real ones, bro. Y'all don't even know like how much I just like feel happy and that's the reason why even despite what I'm going through or what I went through like the entire day, I'm just happy, bro. Like literally, I'm just happy to come and talk to you guys. And even if we're not doing like something crazy productive today, I just wanted to just come and talk to y'all, man. Cause you know what I had to go through, bro. Like the rain beat me. Like literally, it rained like crazy. We had to stop like 3 times, bro. Cause I was using like a motorcycle, and the motorcycle had to stop like 3 times, bro, because the rain was insane. We would stop like the rain would beat me. We'd stop at some spot, get some shelter, and then again go. The rain stops and go again, and then the rain beats me. It's like 3 times, bro, and I'm just like, come on. After all of this, dog, and nah, bro, like that was not good. That was not worth it. Somebody said, "Do you know how to wheelie?" Like, nigga, what are you asking, bro? I'm telling you something depressing. You asking some dumb question. Talk about, do you know how to wheelie? Nah. I know how to front wheelie. You feel me? Lift up the back, like the tire, the behind tire, and yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, for sure, man. Now I'm just highly disappointed and mad and just like, all right, man. Let me just get on stream and just talk to my brothers, man. You feel me? Let's go to GitHub and try to get some work in. You feel me? Like let's just at least maybe for like 1 hour. That would be good. 1 hour or whatever. It'll be a very productive 1 hour. I will take it. I'll take it really. Let me just say start timer. and you just put like a maybe what a 60 minutes timer. It's like a 1 hour from now. Let's see how it goes. You feel me? So the timer is going it's counting down. So I have a friend who removes the seat when cycling. What? Wait, that friend of yours is a demon, bro. Don't ride on that bike with that dude, bro, because yeah, you're gonna end up dying, bro. That guy is not good. It's not good at all. It's not good. All right. Let's try to zoom this shit in. And yeah, say just open code. Whatever. I think. Hold on. I want to stop for like the session that we had last the other day. I think he's gay. Yo, nobody's hard record. Nobody's homophobic here, bro. So don't come with no homophobia kind of stuff and get us canceled, bro. You feel what I'm saying? I don't want to get canceled. So nobody's homophobic. It's only you, dog. I'm not participating in that statement. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, okay. Let's look at the screenshot, bro. Okay, this is like, I think this is the screenshot. Yes. I'm not participating in none of that shit. I'm not. Okay, let's go here. And I think, I don't think we need to like really use Discord, but it's fine. I'm not gonna include Discord in there. Okay, so this is the session. Where's the picture? This is the picture. I just want to pick this entire session and just copy it. Go back here. Okay, I think it's all the way here. Good. Just press this in there. Did you see the absolute garbage of an update Google did to anti-gravity? Yeah, I saw the anti-gravity V2 and anti-gravity CLI and anti-gravity blah blah. Like, I'm just like, why, bro? Like, what the hell? I don't know. I just found it trash to me, dog. Like, I'm like, come on, why y'all doing too much, bro? Why are they doing too much? That was stupid. You feel me? And then again, I'm also trying to. AI is writing itself. Yeah, literally lose the IDE when you download the update. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, because there are two different things though. I think you should be. You guys are also not okay because there is anti-gravity. Hold on, let me go to anti-gravity, not success, whatever. If you go to anti-gravity here, you'll see we have if you go to under products. Okay, for some reason this is like taking forever. I don't know. Yo, what's going on with my machine? Hold on. Let me close this. What? Go to product. Okay, go to products. You will see there is the IDE and there is this 2.0. So these are two different things, bro, and you need to know the difference. This one is almost like the way this Claude is like literally just like this. This is the anti-gravity version of this. It's like saying Google Gemini, but inside anti-gravity. I think that makes sense. They just had to like separate the entire thing, but it's mainly the same thing. And then if you go again back to product, you see the CLI here. There's the CLI tool, which is almost the same as this same open code that we got going on. And if you go back to the product, you will see there is SDK and there is the IDE. So this is the IDE. You can download the IDE. And literally, I think the IDE is still the same thing. Because if you come here, you see like you have to first download this 2.0 thing, download one, and also again, if you're on the CLI, you can run it using this if you're on Mac OS. And I think I'm even gonna try it out, but I really don't think I need it because it's still the same thing as open code. And then again, then you can download the SDK if you want to work directly in your code base, build, debug, and ship from your terminal, describe what you need, and anti-gravity handles the rest. And then the IDE is here. So it's still the same thing, bro. It's still the same thing. It becomes a separate app you have to download. Yes, 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 for sure. But it's like, why just put people through all of that? It's just super unnecessary to me. It is what it is, their own company, they can do whatever the heck they want. Okay. Now, another thing I wanted to show you is that I wanted to try out gaming on Mac because I saw some people doing it and I was just downloading some Mac app called, I think it was what's the name? Resident Evil V. I mean Resident Evil 4. I think something like that. So I think it's like Resident. Hold on. Resident Evil 4. If I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's here. Is it not this? Nope. Nope, nope, nope. I had already downloaded it, bro. Hold on, let me just click my account and let me see if I have Resident Evil. Yes, I can just resume from here and it can continue the download. You lose the extensions if you download the new IDE, and for some reason, if you click on the IDE, it magically opens the prompt-based one. It needs manual PowerShell fix. Oh, when he's speaking PowerShell, I think he's talking about when you say PowerShell, does it mean you're talking about Windows? Because for Mac, it's really straightforward. Okay, so it's downloading stuff. I'm just gonna let this download in the background, and I'm gonna try out that game. So, it is what it is. I really don't know anything about anti-gravity. It's super annoying though. But yeah, it is what it is, boys. Let's just try to like get some work done and finish our entire stuff, you know. And I think we are left with something small. This is the fix for Windows, for Mac, and there'll probably be an equivalent fix. Yeah, 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 for sure, for sure, for sure. Most definitely, man. Yeah, you guys should be proud of FBI, bro, because this guy is like the real FBI. I think he's FBI for software engineering. He really does his due diligence. Hmm. All right. We need to look at the service. We have webhook controller in place. What else after the webhook controller? We got a router. Is it true that you have a rabbit under your hat? Let's see. We have web controller. That's fine. Customer service. I think I already have the customer service in place. So let's just go back and see. This is the last one, right? We have customer service. We now need to look at this subscription controller. Do we have subscription controller in place? Nope, but we need the service though. So we have the webhook controller already. This is the subscription controller. Now we need the subscription service. All right, let's just go back here and see what we have. In payments, we have only webhook controller. And here we have customer service and router. Yeah, man. I sent the details on how to fix it for Windows and Discord for everyone interested. Oh, that's my brother right there, the real FBI. Hold on. When did he send it? I'm not seeing it. Oh, this was the one. Okay, 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 okay. I can see it. I can see it. I can see it. Fine. So let's try to get this like 1 hour as productive as possible, and then we can like gist and talk about other stuff in case we have some more time. Because I really don't want to like waste so much time now. So let's have a look at try to get our thoughts on this thing. What the hell? Why do we have so many apps open? All right, so we have the subscription controller, but I'm not really like happy with how everything looks because now we have so many handlers. Like, look at this. We have subscription handler, and then we have goddamn webhook router. Okay, I have this already. It's okay. I have that in place. Signature verifier is already cool. Oh, then we have the service, right? So this is what we need to work on. We need to work on this webhook service. I mean subscription service. Nice, 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 nice. So let's start with that. I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit, just like this. Hopefully catch this. Okay. Mm. So now let's get to work. We have the class subscription service. Let's just go and first create this subscription service. And that will probably be the last one for today, so let's try to finish it. Go here and just grab this subscription service. Nice. Yo, what's up? Big Slip. What's popping? Big Slip 7, my brother. Since we are working on I don't think I need like a new terminal. I mean a new branch. So I'm not just gonna waste my time creating a branch. Let's just work in here. Um we have private, we need subscription repository, nice. and then a transactional, obviously, because we are dealing with subscriptions. And it should be read only. So we are going to say public subscription response, get subscription. So we are trying to pick subscription. Obviously, it should be read only. Nice. Open code is good. Yes, yes, it's very, very good, brother. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, now let's have a look. We are using the subscription response as our type, and we are saying get subscription. Now we are picking the user ID from the parameters and subscription because subscription deposit define user by ID and then passing the ID or else throw new subscription not found exception and no subscription found for this user ID and passing the user ID. From there, we just return new subscription response and we get the plan, get the status, get the current period, and is premium, and that is all. So first method is going to return for us the subscription. So I think it's called get subscription. Nice. Now let's go and first annotate this with add service, and then we're going to have required argument constructor, and that should do it. Then the next thing we need to say private final subscription repository or subscription repository. And now we are going to, hey, boys, before I really end, before I just continue coding, let's just take a second, bro. I want you guys to like say RIP to like one of my friends, bro. We literally lost one of our friends. That guy is my classmate. He's from Liberia. His name is called Joseph, bro. It's some guy that is short, some short guy, man. Like I literally used to sit close to the guy in my uni. This dude is like a very good friend of mine, bro. We play Call of Duty together. Like we laugh, we joke. Like I can just be dozing in class. Like the lecturer is boring and I'm dozing, and this guy be trying to like put a paper and just try to disturb me and stuff. Like just man, this shit is just sad as hell. And yeah, we lost him yesterday, bro. We lost him yesterday evening, bro. And that was like the saddest news I've ever had, man. That shit just it just touched my soul, bro. But that just goes to say, like, bro, today you can be happy and alive, tomorrow you're not here. So just be grateful for what you have and just be happy for you being alive, my brothers. So I want you guys in the comment, man, to say RIP, my boy Joseph. And yeah, man, we send our condolences to his family, his friends, and all of that. But I just wanted to be honest with y'all, man. I'm not really fine, bro, but it is what it is, you know. That's life for you, brother. So let's keep it pushing, man. That shit is sad as hell, man. You come to study in a country, you go back in a box, man. Shit. Man, RIP to my brother, bro. Let's just keep going. God damn. Yeah, for real, man. For real. Thank you guys, man. Thank you for being real, man. Thank you. It's all good though. Public subscription subscription response subscription. I think, wait, hold on, what are we trying to return? He was in the UK. Yeah, bro. Not in the UK, he was with us like in the same college. He was with us in the same college, bro. Like I last spoke to him, I think a month ago, something like that. I last spoke to him a month ago. So I mean, not really a month ago, but sometime just he told me, yo, let's go and play Call of Duty, and I wasn't even like online like that. You know, I just found the text afterwards, and I was like, yo, you know, I didn't find him in college for some time, and I was like, yo, where the hell is this guy? But turns out he was just going through a lot, man. And yeah, we lost him yesterday, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah, I'm too late today, money heist, bro, because I had some bullshit in the market, man. I wasted my time. I should have just started my stream, bro. But it's fine, though. It's fine. Let's just keep going, bro. Entities, DTOs, we got subscription response, DTO, isn't it? Yes, subscription response. This is supposed to be a DTO, isn't it? Let me just rename it to subscription response DTO. So my apologies, boys, man. Tomorrow we shall make it up. I'll make it up to y'all. You feel me? Get subscription. This is gonna be get subscription, and we need to just return this string user ID. Then it's already 1 a.m., bro. I know it is. It is late over there for real. It's crazy. I know, I understand that. But I just want to get like the streak going, you know, I want to keep the streak going. No problem, bro. Just sleep and leave me on. Leave me on. As you can see, we have about 40 minutes, so let me just finish up. Sleep and leave me on, my boy. Sorry, I'll leave. I had no problem. It's all good. You don't gotta apologize, man. Subscription service. We need to say subscription. Subscription is equals to I think we need to say subscription repository dot find by user ID, and then we just pass in that user ID, or else throw an exception, and this exception will be throw. Hold on. Wait, what exception are we throwing really? Am I getting confused? Which exception are we throwing? Oh, this is gonna be the new subscription not found. Okay, we're not throwing anything. It's just gonna be new subscription. Subscription not found exception, and then you're just gonna say subscription with this ID not found, with this user ID not found. All right, it is what it is. Let's continue. So from here, we just need to now return new subscription response detail, and we need to return a few things. We're gonna say subscription dot get plans. Maybe is it the first thing? Yes, get plans. Okay, no problem. Subscription dot get what else? We have plans. I think we need to put I think hold on. Oh, we need to pick the status and the current period and its premium. Okay. Get status and subscription dot I think hold on. Yes, get current period and then subscription. Hold on. Subscription dot is premium, and that should do it. So that is okay for the subscription service. Then we continue going down the rabbit hole of canceling the subscription. So transaction void cancel subscriptions string user ID. Then we first look for the subscription, and if subscription dot get plan is equal to subscription dot plan dot free, then return, or else we just get the status subscription dot set status subscription dot status to cancel, and then subscription dot save to subscription, and then log information cancel subscription for this user. So this is how we're going to cancel the subscription. And how are we actually creating the subscription? Am I getting confused somewhere? Okay, so this is get subscription. This is to initialize, find or initialize the subscription. I feel no pressure, bro. Your wellness is beyond a simple stream. Yeah, for real, for real. But for sure. I'm actually okay, you know. I'm actually okay. Just also make it as entertaining to y'all as possible. So it is more so just trying to like get the reps in really. You feel me? Regardless of what I go through, regardless of the situation. So it is what it is, my brothers. We got transactional subscription find or initialize. Then we are going to use the user ID, and we return. Hold on. Yeah, it's working. I thought that wasn't working. Fine. So from there we find or initialize string user ID, return subscription dot repository defined by user ID, then throw this, or else get I don't want to use this, so we're gonna say subscription dot find set user to user ID, set plan to plan dot free. And hold on, why are we setting the plan to plan dot free? What? Really? How about if the person wants to be a premium user? Because when they're a free user, do we need to initialize the subscription for them? Am I like, is everything okay? It's okay. I'm not gonna think too much. We're just gonna make sure we like get this together, and then we can test it. If it fails, then tomorrow we can finish up with the rest. It's fine. After that, we return subscription dot save, then we save the subscription. So we need to set the user to the subscription, plan to the subscription, and then status. To active, now return this repository, and that should be okay. So nice game. Let's continue cooking. Just when at the end of the stream, look at this. Look at this. Look at this timer. Look at the timer. That's how much time we have left for the stream. So stick around. Once we finish this timer to 0, we just play chess, like maybe 2 3 games or 4 games if need be, then we just call it a night. You hear me? Public, I think subscription response DTO, the same thing. And then this is going to be find or initialize. Find or initialize subscription. Subscription. And then we are just getting the user ID, obviously. And the first thing is just the same as this. So we need to just say subscription as the model. Subscription find this or else throw. And then we just throw an error. This could be something like new is almost the same. I think yes, it's the same. New subscription not found exception. And then that is the same error that we are throwing. There you go. And from there, we just need to just say return new subscription response detail. And hold on. Really, before we do that, I need to first understand here we are not really doing that. Final initialize, we are not going to look for the subscription because it's not there, right? We just have to say return subscription repository dot find user ID. So find or initialize. If it's not there, then we initialize it with OS get. All right, now I understand why. Nice. So even despite us not having time, we're able to learn something. So now we're just going to use this. We're going to say return the subscription repository directly. Subscription repository dot, I don't know what's going on here. Return subscription repository dot find by user ID or else get. So we just pass in that user ID and then we say or else get. And or else get. Fine. And then now this is where we are going to now start cooking. Now how we're going to do this, we're going to first say subscription, subscription, not super, but let's just call this sub is equals to new subscription. And then this is our what we're going to use to cook. What's going on here? What's popping? We're gonna say subscription because a new subscription. But why is it failing? Or else get works like this, right? Or else get, we need to actually have this. I normally forget this like lambda functions things, but yes, we are supposed to use or else get like this. Nice. So we say subscription. We need to open this and then we're gonna say subscription sub is equals to new subscription. And then we start cooking. We say subscription dot set ID to user ID. I think, yeah, said the ID. But what's popping here? What's going on here? Expected this, provided this, but what's popping? Set the user ID to user ID. Wait, we are not supposed to set it to this because we have, I think, a user ID. If we go back to our models, let's have a look at our models for a sec. Subscription, we have user ID. Nice. So we need to say set user ID, not set ID. Very nice. So the set user, hold on, set user ID to now the user ID, very good. And then we say subscription dot set plans to now our subscription. Now what's popping here first? Setting plans. I think for the plans, let me see. I don't want to waste time, bros. We need to say subscription dot plan dot free or active. So subscription dot what? Sub dot plans. I think it's get plans, right? Dot get plans. Wait, am I tripping? We need to say subscription dot set user ID, subscription dot set plans, and then subscription dot plan dot free. Huh? Wait a minute, bro. How is this possible? So this get plans, what is this get plans doing? Holy shit. Sub dot get plans. I think it's like this, right? We need to use the enum though. So that is going to be subscription. I mean, that's going to be plans actually. Yes, plans are free like this. But by default, if you're creating a subscription, that should be for the premium. I don't know. That should be for the premium, really. And let's say subscription dot set status, and then the status is going to be subscription status dot active, and that will be it. Now we just save that to our database. I think that's the thing. Yes, we return this and set this. That should be our last, really, setting it to the database. Return, and what's popping here? Final initialize subscription, provider subscription, and required tab this. So I think we need to use subscription here. Subscription. Nice. Instead of subscription response DTO, because we are not returning anything. We are just returning our yeah, we're returning the created subscription. So the type should be the subscription model. Nice. Okay. What's the next thing we need to do? This will be our goddamn. Matter of fact, I don't want to forget these transactional events as well. This is going to be transactional, and this should be read only true since we are just getting the information. And here should be transactional, and this will not be read only true since we are writing to the database. We're writing information to the database, and here we are reading the information from the database. Nice. What's the last thing here? I think it's the second last, right? It was the last, canceling the subscription. Nice. So we need to say public void. We're not returning anything. Cancel subscription. String user ID. Find the subscription. After that, or else throw a new subscription not found. That is okay. And if subscription don't get planned, if subscription don't get planned, is it if the plan is free, then return, right? Um, I don't know what the hell. If the plan is premium, then return. Should that be the case? I don't know. Why are we returning from here though? Okay, we still have some time. I don't know why I'm rushing too much, but yeah, I really need to understand what's going on here, right? Let me just ask a question. I'm just gonna go grab this, go all the way up to up here, and just ask a very clarifying question. I have a problem here. I'm just gonna say, hey, allow, yes. Okay, okay, so I actually have a problem with this service. It is a subscription service, but for some reason, the enum is supposed to be premium and free. And since the free users don't need to subscribe in the first place, why are we setting the find or initialize method with subscription dot free? I mean, if the enum is free or something, so that means we're not even just we're not subscribing in the first place. And then again, on the canceling the subscription, why are we now instead saying if the subscription dot get plan is equals to subscription dot free, then return? It's just confusing me a little bit, so just make it clear for me. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go here and paste this. For me, AI is like sometimes a great question. This is actually a smart design pattern. Let me break it down. Why find or initialize says free? Every user needs a role in the subscription table. Even free users. This is so you can always do the find by user ID without getting null or empty results everywhere in your code. Oh, actually, I didn't know that. Think of it like default state. User registers subscription row created free and is active. User upgrades same row updated premium and is active. User cancels same row updated premium and it's canceled. Nice, 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 nice. So let's just go back to our code before we waste so much time and change this back again. Where is it? Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? Subscription dot this, we look for the subscription, and from there we just say set get plans and get that. That's fine. How about here creating? It shouldn't be premium, it should actually be free dot free. Nice, 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 nice. And if the subscription is active, return. Okay, I think that should make sense. Now remaining canceling the goddamn subscription. So this is also going to be a transactional. So our transaction, and we're just going to say public void cancel subscription. And also we're going to look first using the, obviously we just we understand why we need to do this, or else we just throw the subscription, same thing that we did up here. All right, so now that we have that, what's going on here? Cancel, nice, cancel subscription. And from here, we are going to say if subscription. So if subscription dot we need to check first if subscription, actually the subscription dot get status. If subscription dot get status is equals to the active, not status, but really if plans, yes. Subscription dot get plans is equals to the free plan. Hold on. The subscription is the same as the free plan, then return. Nice. Subscription is equals to plan dot free, then we just return directly. Return and not do anything. Or else what's going on here with this? Return is unnecessary as the last statement is void. Hold on. Really? Is it really unnecessary? I don't think so. Subscription that says status, subscription dot status. Nice. Then we just say subscription dot set status to subscription dot cancelled. And then we just say subscription. Actually, let me put this back. Nice. Bro, tomorrow I have a board exam. Please pray, man. Good luck for real, man. Like exams, board exam is really something that you need to put your all in. Subscription repository dot save and then just pass in that subscription. And I think we are good to go, my boys. What's the last thing we have there? Nothing. So we are good to go. I think here what's going on. Why cancel checks for free? This is a guard because it's been okay. We understand that. And I think this is all right. First, we need to like look for the subscription. This is how we get the subscription, and this is how we initialize the subscription, and this is how we cancel the subscription. Nice. So I think the subscription service is done. We really don't have to do too much. Now the only thing left is to just go with the subscription controller. Nice. So now that we have that checkout service, do we have that? We need to create a checkout service. But first, before we go to the checkout service, let's just finish this subscription controller. And really, for controllers, I'm not really gonna waste time, boys. I'm gonna just copy the entire controller because it's just the same thing. We are just getting the HTTP stuff. You guys already know this, so I'm just gonna copy this entire thing, copy this, and just go back to this and create a subscription controller. Subscription controller. Nice. And then we just go ahead and paste this in here and we start importing this stuff. Import this, import request mapping. I truly stand by my word. What did you guys say? What do you mean I truly stand? Do you know Java? He's using Java, man. Yeah, for sure. I'm using Java, bro. I don't know how do people just come on stream and basically they see Java, then they ask, do you use Java? It's crazy. Or maybe this looks like I mean this is Spring Boot, right? It's not any different from Java. It's like you using React and I ask you, do you use JavaScript? It's funny, right? But yeah, boy, your question is very funny. It's very funny. Subscription service, nice. Let's import our checkout. We don't have the checkout service yet though, so it's just gonna annoy me. It's gonna annoy me. This is subscription some subscription response. Subscription response DTO. And final initialize. We have that, we have this, import this post mapping, import this class, import this. Checkout request. Yes, we have that. Checkout response. And I gotta choose my major in 3 months. Going to top tier uni, man. 132 rank. I don't like this vibe coding thing. Literally, everyone is building something, and it has made me lose some interest. Guide your junior, man. Yeah, man. Speaking of vibe coding, bro, it's just way too annoying, bro. Like, you're not alone, bro. Like that stuff is just annoying as hell. I would say this, bro. Final initialize subscription. I would say this, bro. Like, just continue having the passion. And my boy FBI in the chat will help you. You feel me? That's my brother right there. He's a goat, man. He will help you out. Hey, man. Look, FBI, guide your brother, man. Bro, you graduated from? I haven't graduated yet. I'll be graduating next year, dog. I'm still in my third year, like last semester. Literally, not even just a whole semester. Last month, next month will be my last month in third year. October this year, I'll be starting my final year four. So it is what it is. God willing, bro. We have checkout service. let's just go and grab this entire checkout service. I don't want to waste my time, really, bro. I don't want to waste my time. I don't want to waste my time. I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab the entire checkout service. Let's see how it goes. We have the subscription service in place. Now for the checkout service, it really it's just using everything that we already have. So we're not really gonna waste time. Retriable or retriable, whatever. I don't have retriable in place, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just copy it, bro. Let me copy the entire checkout service and save you guys the hustle of watching me copy that entire or write that entire checkout service from scratch. It's just gonna waste our time. So I'm just gonna say checkout, checkout service. All right, this is our checkout service. Just go ahead and paste this in here. And this checkout service, we really need to import a few things. We need to import the Dodo client, Dodo payments client. Really? Do we have that? Do we need that? I don't know. But we most definitely need Dodo properties. And what's going on here? Might not have been initialized. I need to add a constructor. Not really, bro. Let me say Dodo properties, I think. Which university? The analogy is useful. Keep it in mind. Which university? I mean, some university called ULK, bro. ULK. Hold on, hold on. I think we need to say Dodo properties from config, and literally that is that. And what's going on here? I don't know. I really don't know what the hell is going on. Yeah, what's going on with all of this? Might not have been initialized. Oh, I actually need to initialize this class. I think let's not do the checkout service today. You feel me? Let's just leave the checkout service for tomorrow. Because right now this is just gonna waste our time. Because now we need to do a few things that I don't want to do right now, boy. For real. Where you from, man? The country? I'm from South Sudan, brother. I'm from South Sudan. I'm from South Sudan, brother. Let's see. Check out session requests. I don't think. Okay, that exists actually. Customer ID doesn't exist. I think it's dot customer if I'm not mistaken. Dot custom. Let's have a look. I think it's customer, and then we just pass in the customer ID. But for some reason it fails though. Yeah, this is kind of annoying, dog. Let's go now. We checkout service. Hmm. You know what? I'm just gonna go back to my other application and just grab this. We have the entire checkout service here for my subscription service and create checkout. I think this is how the checkout service looks like. So I'm gonna let AI learn from this. Let's just go back here, go back to AI and say, hey, actually you gave me a lot of um handlers that are annoying. So let's leave the handlers, the handlers, let's leave the handlers out, and also for the checkout service, this is how certain Dodo payments from official SDK looks like. So learn from this. What's going on here? Before high level programming languages, people didn't, bro, you're insane. How can you code nonstop, man? What do you mean? How can I code nonstop? What do you mean by how can I code nonstop? I've been liking this kind of comments because they be sounding funny. What do you mean? How do I code nonstop? Got it. We are scraping the complex router handler strategy pattern. We'll use a simple switch statement in a single webhook service and update the checkout service to match your official SDK. Nice. So as you can see, we've really like stripped down the entire checkout service. Now it looks like the way I want it to look. Nice, very, very nice. And for some reason, we got Dodo client, which is not something that I really had in mind. Dodo payments client. I don't know about that, but yeah, this is actually fine. Subscription dot active and it's okay. Handle wait active JSON this whatever. This really doesn't look like what we already have, dog. Handle active. Okay, I like this. I like this idea. This handles the active subscription. How many years did it take to master it, bro? Like 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. Void handle cancelled. Okay, this is actually the webhook service. So we need to update our webhook service to support this style, which is good. I kind of like this style, and we get rid of all of the handlers and routers. Yeah, for sure, for sure. That's a very nice answer right there. So we got a webhook controller, and I think webhook controller really now looks like this, which is okay. It's kind of okay. And then what else? Deleted this file, all of these extra handlers. We don't really need any of this stuff. And at the same time, let's see what's really going on here. This is how we create a checkout request. I mean, checkout request is like this. Um, only 1 year, bro. Only 1 year. I've been cooking only 1 year now. So we really need to get rid of this router. Like this entire router is mad annoying. How about okay, the webhook signature is okay because we are checking for the signatures is okay, it's fine. How about customer service? I think we're gonna leave the customer service. Subscription service is fine. Webhook router, let's get rid of the webhook router. Yeah, let's just get rid of that webhook router. So let's see what next now. How about this is creating checkout. This is checkout service. Very good. Very, very good. So I think we just have to update our entire what? We need to update our webhook controller. Webhook controller. We need to update our webhook service, and we need to update our checkout service. And those are the only things left. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab this entire. I think I can just pick this. Let me just grab all of this stuff, these inputs, all of these. This is all. Remember, this is like my code base, bro. This is my code base that I'm picking the code from. It's not like I'm just copying the code from AI. Don't go and do that, bro. When you're building your app, try to give it so much thought. But because I know I'm picking this information from my code base, I'm okay, like perfectly okay with copying and pasting. And I don't want to waste time as well, because yeah, we're working time is against us. So. We got our controller. Let me just close out the entities. Webhook controller. I really just want to update this webhook controller. Are we in the webhook controller? Nice. Let's just go ahead and matter of fact, let's just delete everything and try to press this in. That's the webhook controller right there. And I'm just gonna get rid of this for now. And I'll just set this, set the package name to that, and then just import the webhook service and the webhook verifier, webhook signature verifier. So webhook signature verifier, it is perfectly okay. Webhook service, we don't have it. So we need to go and create that. I'll probably replace it next week. Oh, okay. That's good. That's great, man. I like when my boys are investing in themselves, man. Invest in yourself, my brother. Let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna replace this with the string and replace it with the string. This also replace this with a string. Nice. Then the last thing we need to do is go back in here and just grab this entire webhook service. I think we can just grab it all the way from here. This webhook service. Yo, copy this. This is the web. I mean, hold on. What? That was a check hook. I mean, the checkout, the check hook. Webhook service starts from here. What? Yep, webhook service starts from all the way here and stops here. Nice. Let's just go back here and correct our webhook service. What is it that? This is a webhook. We don't need the router. I need to get rid of this router. And this is a checkout service. Why do we even have that? I'm just gonna get rid of this checkout service, remove this, and we need to create this webhook. Webhook. Hold on. I got rid of something that I shouldn't have gotten rid of. Let's just say add and remove this from all the way here and just put this out in here. Good. Oh, how can I put it out? Bro, I'm just gonna go back in here. The client. Okay, let's just remove it for now. I'll replace this checkout service for in a sec. Let's just replace this as like webhook service. It is sitting at a sad 30% battery life. How? Bro, how, bro? How did you bro, you're so dangerous, bro. How the hell did how is that even possible though? 30% battery life is crazy. I think we need to import the subscription. Yes, processed. Yes, transactional. Nice. New process event, import that. Nice. JSON node, import that. JSON node from this. Actually, is this okay with JSON node? Nope. I think we need to use the other JSON node. This one actually. Then we change this to like JSON node string. We replace everything here with a string, and then we just import the subscription and set plan. Hold on. Dot set plans to this and plan. Not actually this. We just need to say plan dot free. It was free before, right? Subscription dot premium. Okay, subscription plan dot free and status dot active. Nice, bro, bro. Okay, just import this instant, and then we'll go back all the way here and say subscription status dot active. Okay, what else? We set this to a string status subscription status dot console. Nice. And what's going on here? Required type status, provided subscription status. Huh? Where's the type, bro? Void update status. What is it? Void update status. Yes, it should be subscription status. Subscription status status. Nice. And then we return this. What are you making, bro? I'm building a URL shortener, man. I'm sorry, boys. I'm not looking at you guys chat at all. I'm trying to like rest against time to finish this. Subscription status. I think this should be failed. Yes, subscription status dot failed. Failed. Now I'm implementing payment system now. I'm implementing a payment system. Oh, no problem, my boy FBI. Reply to my boys. Let's go, man. Set plans. And we need to set the plan to free. So plan should be free plan. Nice. And then what else? Subscription here should be on hold. So we're gonna say subscription status dot on hold, man. Let's go. So as you guys can see, we have this is entirely clean. The webhook service is clean as hell. We have some issues. We need to import this, no auto wire, whatever. Shouldn't it be it's already auto wired as service, and why is it tripping? Let's just go ahead and import this again. Say private final subscription status. Private final webhook service, webhook service, and webhook service. Good. Is it in production like demo? It's still in dev, but I have another application here. You can check it out. It's also some application that is also like mad nice and good, and all of that extra stuff. There's so much that has gone to it. You can just check it out here, data back in the store. So yeah, let me just finish this other SaaS application. So I now have two SaaS applications that I'm working on. I need to get rid of this. That is okay. We got all of that we need. All right, what else do we don't have any issue. Nice. I think the last thing we need to do is just go ahead and grab let's have a look. We have our subscription webhook service in place. Checkout service. That's the last thing that we're gonna be doing for today, right? So I really don't want to waste your time as well by doing all of the extra stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab this entire webhook service. Hold on. Go all the way here. I mean checkout service, not webhook service, my bad. Checkout service. So we need to go ahead and just create a new checkout service here and say checkout service, and this is our checkout service. I'm just gonna copy this and let's fix what we have as errors. Yeah, for sure, man. And we are racing against time, my boys. You feel me? I really want to finish this payment thing today, and then tomorrow we can start with like maybe deployment or something else. But let me just import the things that I need to import. All of these checkout response. Let's import this subscription. Let's import that subscription model. Very good. Import that. Find by user ID repository dot find. Hold on. Subscription repository. I really need to import this as well. Import this, and we're going to have dot find by user ID. And also this is like some payment provider that I already implemented in my other project. So I'm just trying to shift everything to this new project. I mean, like, you get the point. So let's see. Import the checkout request, and we're gonna have this. We're gonna have a problem. Resolve product from which like this none null. I don't know what's going on. Required type checkout this provided this enums of billing cycle. Yeah, that's crazy. So let's just say request dot billing cycle, and what's popping? Let's import this. Let's also import this and JSON value. Let's import that and checkout. Let's import this checkout response. Let's import that, and let's go and import this. Now the Dodo client, it is gonna be some headache, man. Private final Dodo client. Now let's have a look. I think our Dodo client is inside the config, right? So I think this is gonna be our I don't know, bruh. Dodo Dodo payments client, and then we shall just call this actually Dodo client, not Dodo payments client. Let's just say Dodo client. Dodo properties. So let's just import Dodo properties. Dodo properties. Okay, everything else should be okay except this. Checkout session ID. Not really. This should not be response dot checkout session ID. Nice. Do you ever feel like adding comments, or is this just a me thing, lol? I don't know. I think it's a you thing. Sometimes I feel like adding comments when I know like yo, I'll really like not understand this code when I get back to it. But 9 times out of 10, I usually just understand my code. Like even months later, like yeah, I've never had that as a problem. I don't know why. Import static this from this billing cycle, nice, and then create local variable. This is actually Dodo properties. For some reason, we are calling this Dodo properties, but can we just call it properties so that we cannot have issues here? Nice. Now what's going on with the cycle? Create a default branch. And good. We do not have any issue again, except the billing cycle is now a problem. Now this is the only problem. We have a problem with the billing cycle. So I'm just gonna copy this and here, let's have a look at what's going on. I'm just gonna open code here and just say open code. Yeah, we have some issue here. Hopefully you can just fix it. We have this issue here. Check out, hold on, check out the enum for billing cycle and see how we can fix this. All right. So I think it's gonna go through that and just fix it for us. We have about 4 minutes to go, so let's just see. Yeah, whenever this time stops, like that's when we're gonna stop. I don't care if we haven't fixed a problem or whatever. That's it. We have to fix it in that time window. But the issue is in your checkout service. Nice. So it really just got for us the issue. The parameter uses checkout request dot billing cycle, but billing cycle is a top level enum, not nested inside checkout request. It should just be billing cycle. Hold on. Am I getting confused? The issues in this, and the parameter uses the checkout request next billing, but billing cycle is a top level enum, not nested inside the checkout request. So it should be inside the checkout request. Nice. So we're going to say checkout request dot billing cycle, and then this will just be billing cycle instead of checkout request that is nested inside it. Very good. And what else? I think that should be it. Really, I think that should be it. Let's just go down here, and instead of it being inside the checkout request, we're just gonna say billing cycle. Hold on, wait. This should be request billing cycle though. Why is it still failing? Oh God. I think this should just be billing cycle, really. Let's see. Billing cycle, and we're just gonna call this cycle. And then everywhere where we have request.this, we're just gonna replace it with cycle. And yes, that should work. The same thing here. We have billing cycle, billing cycle. Nice. Very, very nice. Now we need to just import this and that should work. And instead of request here, we're just going to replace this with we have checkout request. What's going on? We're just going to replace this with cycle. Why do we have billing? Hold on, what's going on? Required type string provided checkout request. Required type is string and we provided the checkout request. Where checkout service dot checkout. Let's just go back to checkout service. Oh God, we have about 2 minutes, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this problem, go back to our big brother, and hey, man, we have an issue here. Hold on. I don't have time to debug this thing, boys. Oh God, where is it at? Where is it at? Boys, I don't know if I'll be able to take back my words. I really want to fix this issue, bro. Hold on. God, let's go. Fix the issue. My unit baked this habit into me, man. Like always document every class or function. Yeah, man. You need to just be doing too much. Give yourself 5 more minutes, love. I don't know. I don't know. I need. I think I'll fix it in like less than a minute. Let's see. Okay. What's the problem? Body check out request, check out USD request this, and then we need to actually return null and the request dot next cycle. Oh, really? Fix the controller. Fix the controller was passing check out request instead of billing cycle and was missing the name parameter. Updated this, and I think is it fixed now? God, hopefully it has done it. All right, it is fixed now. So let's just go back and yes, we go to the controller fix. So this is actually supposed to be the null function, and then we return the billing request, billing cycle. Good. It is fixed, my boys, and I think we are done with today's work. Very nice. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna do the entire testing for the subscription and all of that extra stuff. After that, we shall call it a day for like payments. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, by Saturday, we are now going to do our deployments. And Sunday, our application will be officially live. Or maybe Saturday, our application will be fully live. So thank you guys for watching up to this point. I'm gonna be out of here, man. And let me just stop open code. Open code, thank you for helping me. Let's say git add. Clear this. Yes, it's fine. I just wanna say git commit dash m. And really I'm just gonna say added, not really a fix, but this is actually a feature dash m, and this is just gonna be a feature. I didn't create a branch though. That's the problem. I'm just gonna add everything. So I'm just gonna say added checkout, added checkout for the other payments. Simple as that, man. I don't wanna complicate it. Git push this to the origin. Oh my goodness, git push. And yeah, at least we have commit for the day, you feel me? And if I'm not mistaken, we spent 1 hour. Very good. So that's it. If I go back right here and I just refresh, let's just refresh this. As you can see, we have commit for the day. Very good. Very, very, very good. Very good. So we've respected time. We finish our stuff in time. Now it's time to just play some chess, and we're gonna play a few games of chess just to like enjoy the night. And I'm just gonna call it a day, boys. And tomorrow after uni, immediately we're gonna jump on stream and cook. So yeah, tomorrow's my last day of uni. Now it's not really last day, but obviously we're headed to the weekend. Yes, it's chess time, my boys. So if anybody's interested in chessing the thing, well, this is yo FBI, check this out. Check this out. Hold on, check this out, FBI. Look at this. I started playing Rapid of recent and it was just going good. Look at this, bro. I had like some crazy win streak. For some reason, I lost all of these ones. I think I lost to time, if I'm not mistaken. But most of them, like I had some crazy win streak. I had some like nice win streak. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, but it was a good. So, as you can see, we are back at like almost six what 660. So let me just play a game and see what's gonna happen. The stream bugged for a bit. Oh, for sure. Hold on, the stream. Oh, I think it's from your side, not my side. Let's have a look. Wait, Resident Evil, I thought it downloaded though. I thought it downloaded. Wow. Did it fail? Alright, I'm just gonna leave it throughout the night, boy. Or maybe just leave it right now. I don't know. I think it bugged because of maybe the download. Maybe it was affecting the download speed. I don't know. But streaming is upload speed, though. Streaming has nothing to do with download speed. So, I don't know. Let's go with some rapid, man. Let's go with some rapid. Let's have some fun. The reason why Mac is bad for gaming is that Mac's architecture is not designed for gaming. Like literally. The thing can be powerful, but it will be sluggish because the architecture, even the developers themselves, they did not optimize their games for Mac. So it's almost like trying to run a Windows application on Mac. Most obviously it won't run. Obviously, unless you optimize it to be cross-platform. So that is just like straightforward. Most people don't get that part though. Mm. I really don't know why I played this. I do not know why I played this. I intended to play F. I just don't know why I played that. That was a stupid move. I shouldn't have played that. But it's okay. It is fine. Um oh, your game engine will support Mark. Interesting. I think I'll most definitely check it out. I'll check it out for sure, for sure, for sure, for sure. Who am I playing with, bro? Somebody from Brazil, man. These Brazilians, they just be so good at this game sometimes. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Can I play with you next? All right, you will play with me, no problem. Okay. Put in your queen. Wait, is this not really risking it, bruh? Is this a risking it? Cause now I can now put the queen under pressure though. Am I not lying? Hold on, I think I'm yeah. Yeah, I knew it, bro. Like this is also why would you do that? Why would you do this? Now have some pressure on the queen again. And now I have to take the rook now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm cooking, man. That's a fuck in the end. Facts. No, bro. This guy is getting fried, toasted, everything. Fried, toasted, cooked, everything, bro. Nice first game for sure. I really don't care if he takes this bishop. No, I don't care about it anymore. I just want to castle my king. It just cook. Hey, this dude is just asking me to take his pawns. I will take it gladly. I don't care, my brother. I do not care. For sure. He's going to fuck my bishops, but do I care? Nope. Do I give a shit? Nope. Am I gonna castle? Yes. Okay. Now, for some reason, I think I'm not gonna castle this set. Now he's trying to like castle. I think he's trying to castle though. I have some trick up my sleeve. What time, brother? There it is 12 in 12 format. It's 10 p.m. Boy said it 12-hour forward is crazy. It is 10 p.m., bro. I can castle now in peace. Mm. Yo, if he goes here, he's cooked. Oh my god, hold on. If only I had a bishop here to pin him. Ah, no, bro, you're not gonna win that. Sorry, bro. Nah, I'm not gonna give you my stuff. No, sorry. Sorry, brusky. Ah, okay. This is funny because imagine giving his. Look, I'm gonna take the bishop. I'm gonna take the knight. He's gonna take this, and I'm going to like save at least. Oh, he didn't even bother though. He didn't even bother. That's crazy. All right, now I think I can just move away from there. I saved one. Oh, it's 1 a.m. over there. Crazy, crazy. I wonder how time zones work, man. It's just it seems like magic, man. Out there it's just daytime for some people. All right, this dude is trying to like play some dumb game that I do not like. I think he wants to now come here with this queen. Hmm. And I do not like that, bro. I don't like him coming here with his queen, bro. So what I'm gonna do, let me offer a bishop trade. If he takes this bishop trade, I'm good with it. If he doesn't take it as well, I want to like sacrifice it at least. Good. He offered a bishop trade, but I think I need to now get my queen in the game, bro. I think it's time. It's about time I brought my queen in the game. Yes, it's about time. So let me see what he's gonna play next. Good. He's just pushing pawns unnecessarily now. Should I not go fucking everyone? If I go here, no, let me just come back here, bro. I don't wanna go and just fuck things. Take the pawn first. Which pawn? I do not have any pawn to take here. Okay, now I have a pawn to take. Oh yeah, shit. I was going to mess up, bro. Let me take this pawn. I'm good with that, bro. Good. So let me see what he has up his sleeve, bro. Should I offer a queen trade? I think I should offer a queen trade, bro. Because that will probably help me. That will probably help moi. So let me just go here and try to offer a queen trade, bro. Okay, nice. So I think I can take this. We check. What you hanging your B pawn? Which one? Which B pawn am I hanging? Which B pawn am I hanging, bro? This one? Oh yeah, for real. That was crazy. That was actually crazy. Now, you know what? Why can't I just first check him down there and potentially try to cause some chaos? What do you think? Mm, let me just push this pawn, bro. Should I push the pawn or just protect the pawn? Because I don't want to be too selfish, bro. I actually want to trade the queen so that I at least I can have like chance of winning. Otherwise, this guy is gonna cook me, bro. This guy might cook me, bro. You feel me? I think it will be a good idea. I have okay, I do not have time though. So I need to play faster. Should I get this rook in the game? If I get this rook in the game, check. Matter of fact, his rook is yeah, his rook is really not that good. So let me just push this pawn. If he takes this, I'm just gonna take him back. Nice. There's nothing hanging here though, because if he pushes this pawn, I can just maybe, or maybe I should just push this pawn so that I can have at least, you know, I can have some breathing room, bro, because it seems like he's just pushing his pawns way too closer to me, man. All right. I think this is like super unnecessary. I'm not gonna lie. Attacking me with this pawn was super unnecessary. How about if I go here check? Mm, he has this, right? I knew it, bro. He has some dumb shit that I just hate. Mm. All right, bro. Let me first offer a queen trade. Let me see if you will take the queen trade. Let me see if you will take the queen trade. Let's just see first. I'm offering a queen trade. I'm really not confident. Okay, fine. He did take the queen trade, which is obvious, which is just obvious because he doesn't want to get toasted. But that said, I think I think I have an idea. What if I just push this pawn and push this pawn? I have an idea, bro. Oh God, you're not gonna take my stuff, bro. Relax, man. You're not that chick here. I can see what you're doing, broski. It's not that easy. It's not that easy, bro. Oh, dude wants to take my goddamn rook, bro. Can you believe that? Oh my god. Yo. That was actually tough, bro. Yeah, that was tough, bro. That was actually tough. Okay, nice. I actually want him to take here so that I can take and then I have my rook facing this. So I think it's about time I removed my stuff from here, bro. Let's see. God. Matter of fact, let me just take here. Should I take here? Hmm. I think I have an idea, bro. Yeah, my queen, I need to remove it from the pin. That's true. But I'm wondering, I need to remove it in a place where I still have like control over this. I still protect my knight. So let me just go here. I'm still protecting my knight and I'm applying pressure, more pressure to this pawn. Nice. Oh my god. Yeah. No, bro. These guys, I'm gonna cook this guy. I'm gonna cook this guy. Nice. So I have like a double attack if I'm not mistaken. I have an attack on this rook. You see, he moved away. Now let me show him that yo, I actually want to do a queen trade. Hmm. I actually want to do a queen trade. Let's just go here. Let me offer again a queen trade. Let me see if he's gonna take it. No, I don't want to take it with the knight. I don't want to take it with the knight. I want to offer a queen trade. Let's see if he's gonna take it. Yeah, I don't have time, bro. That's the most important thing. I don't have time. Oh my god, I need to play so fast, bro. I already have like one rook that can apply pressure, which is nice. Hmm. Let me see if he will take that queen trade though. Yeah, for real, man. I need to do that. Wait, what did he do? What did he do? I really don't think so. I don't think I can checkmate him, bro. I don't think I can checkmate him. So if I move this, I'm going to be in trouble. So let me first see what he got up his sleeve. Hmm. Let me first see. Let me first see what he got up his sleeve. Okay, okay, that's a blunder right there. That was a blunder that I was waiting for. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was the blunder I was waiting for. Mm. 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 I'm okay with the queen trade, broski, but not now. Not now. I could have traded the queens. I think I should trade the queens now, bro. I think it's time. It's about time I traded the queens. Yeah, let me just trade the queens and I'll go and promote a queen, bro, to save my time. I don't have that time anymore. He won't come here. He won't go anywhere. So nice, good. Okay, he won't come here, which is good. Oh, wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on, what? Good. Bro, bro, what? Bro. Oh my god, this guy is taking all my pawns, bro. Oh my god. All right. Um, I need my king, bro. I really like messed up, bro. This was stupid. Good. Let's go. You can't catch up, bro. You can't catch up. You're lying. Good. Mm, mm. This was fun playing with you, brother. Let me just go here. Check, check. Take him in the corner. Where can I play this guy? Where I'm putting pressure on him. Check. Yup. Yup. Checkmate. No way. This was crazy. Let's go. Oh God, that was so crazy game. I would have get by chance, bro. I would have get by chance. Jeez. I would have get by chance, bro. Do you want to play the goddamn Scandinavian defense? Go for it, brother. Go for the Scandinavian defense. Let me even remove this. Let me remove this. You're going to run to the corner here, right? Okay, nice. Okay, let me just. Yeah, you're helping me develop my pieces though, which is what I like. Let's go. This today I'm playing like I'm really like locked in today. Yeah, for real. I'm really locked in with you today, my boy. I'm really locked in. Let's go. Let's see what you got up your sleeve, bro. Um, really? Let's just take the center, bro. I don't know why there's some delay though. Is it me or is it just my stream? I don't know. Magnus Carlsen? No, 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 no. Why call me Magnus Carlsen? That's evil, bro. Magnus Carlsen cannot really like Magnus Carlsen cannot hang the ring just like that. Magnus Carlsen could have checkmated this dude a long time ago. It took this guy 3 business days, bro. And what's really going on here? Because if it comes out, I can take. You just push here. I really don't know what this guy is planning, but brother, whatever you're planning, I'm not in for it. Yeah, I'm not really in for your plan. You know what? If I take you just text and he's happy, right? But that's not what I'm planning, bro. Let's see. Alright, that's evil, bro. That right there was evil. That was an evil move. I'm not gonna lie. That was really an evil move, bro. The guy from the chat? Yes, the guy from the chat. Alright, let's see. Good. Really, this guy has nothing else to achieve here, so I'm really good on that. Um, I'm not really gonna take anything from there. Good. Nice game though. Hmm. You know it. You already know. You already know, bro. We pulling some crazy god moves. You already know, bro. You already know. That was a deadly move, bro. That was insane. That was insane for sure. Oh god, that was fun. That was fun. That was fun, bro. Oh god. Alright, I do not care about you though. I don't care. You can take that. I can take your knight as well. Yes, so tit for tat is a fair game. Let's go. Mm. And I'm protecting my pawn. Yes, sir. I'm up a piece. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. That was a tough move. Oh, he removed it from there. This was actually something I was worried about. So now let me just get some tension in here. Tension going. Alright, now trying to play that is just going to piss me off. Hmm. Okay. Um. Okay, now the game is starting to get tight now. Game is starting to get tight, I'm not gonna lie. Um, let me first see him playing here. Yeah, it won't really help. Let's fucking go. Okay. Uh Did that really do anything to me? Just took pawn, right? That was a free pawn, anyways. Oh, shit. I need to get rid of this fucking pawn, bro. I need to get rid of this stupid pawn. I knew you'd play that. I knew you'd play that, boy. I knew it. Let's go. Hmm. Bro, this guy took all of my pawns, but I think I'll be able to do something with that. Let me first see what he got up his sleeve. Hmm. Bro. Oh my god. Okay. Hmm. I think trading these is good for me. What do you guys think? I definitely think trading this is good for me. This is good for me. Let me take it. Yeah, trading that was good for me for real. Shit. Nice. Nice. Alright. Uh okay. Okay, that was actually not good for me. Mm. That was actually not good for me. That was actually not good for me. I'm not gonna lie, boys. Alright, it is what it is. It is what it is. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Mm. Mm. Yes, yes. We have a good game. Nice. We have a good game, boys. So we are equal in material. I have two rooks. He has a knight and a bishop. Hmm. I don't know how this is gonna go, but it's definitely gonna go my way, bruh. It's definitely gonna go my way. I'm not gonna lie. Hmm. Is this not a blunder? Hold on, is this not a blunder? Am I tripping? Am I tripping? Or is this actually a blunder? I think that's a blunder right there. I know what the boy wants to cook. He wants to back rank me, but it's not gonna work like that. It don't work like that, brother. It don't work like that. You cannot back rank me, brother. It don't work like that. Boy, boy, you're so strong. You're so strong for trying to pursue this. Let me kill your dreams and hopes. Ah, come, 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 come. Oh, that was tough. That was actually a tough one. That was actually a tough one. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. You want to take back your pawns, but it don't work like that, gang. It do not work like that. No, I'm gonna cook this guy. Facts. No, bro, you can't keep running away from me, Bresky. You cannot. You can't keep running away from me, bro. I need you. I need you, bro. I need. Oh, I need you, bro. I need you. Come, 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 come. Okay. What is this guy trying to actually cook? He wants to take here? No, this is check. Get the hell out of there, bro. Yes. Nice. How should I cook again? Oh, I actually have, yes, I have another cooking method. I have a cooking method. How should I cook? I have a cooking method. Cook. Ah. Somebody's mated. Mated. Stop playing. Hey, hello, it's not mate? How's it not made yet? How's that not made? Oh yeah, definitely this is made. This is definitely made. So I go here, he can't go here, he can't take me, and he can't come down here. So this was gonna be checkmate, but I know he's gonna take me. So this is, hold on. How is that not checkmate yet? Why can't you go? Oh, he can go down here. Well, I didn't know he could do that. I didn't know he could do that, bro. I should have brought my king closer though. But I think from here now he has nowhere else to play, right? Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, bro. You have nowhere else to play, bro. Sorry, man. Oh, yeah, he can come. He can come up. He can't. Wait, what? Oh my God. Oh my Jesus. What the hell is going on? Why can't I just win, bruh? Why can't I just win, bruh? Oh gosh. Oh Lord. What out? What in the blunder is this? What in the blunder is this? Yo, what in the blunder did I play? Hold on, check. I should have gone here, bro. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. What? Alright, bro. You got Alright, bro. I think that should do it. That should do it, bro. That should do it, bro. Yo. Yo, how, man? How? How? Bro, I really tortured this guy. Oh my god. I really shouldn't have played like that. This was a good move. This was also a good move. Except I needed to take my king in here, bro. I needed to go here. And any stupid check I could just escape. Oh god. Oh Lord, bro. Oh my god. This was like pure evil from this guy. Uncle streaming Violet, yeah, for real. Oh, this is pure evil from brother, bro. You played. I like that. Mm-mm. Oh no, bro. That was a stupid blunder. Matter of fact, I've learned now. I've learned my lesson now. A stupid king is not useless after all. For real, bro. But you can tell I put you under pressure. Next match, I'm playing with FBI. We're gonna play the last match with FBI. FBI, come, my brother. Come through. Add me up, FBI. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's go, bro. FBI, you usually cook me, bro. So if you cook me this time, I'll take it. Yeah, bro. But hey, man, listen, my boy. What do you rate my game, bro? What do you rate my game? Just rate my game. How do I play? Mm-hmm. Nice. How do I play, bro? Uh, Whoa, what do you mean today was good? I mean, just talk about my game in general. It was really good. You just needed to focus in the end. Yeah, for real, man. That was crazy. I really need to like hear this so I can improve my game. You feel me? Um, that was insane, bro. No, bro. Like I hate yesterday game. You improve a lot. Alright, that's nice. That's nice. I'm trying to see like what this guy is trying to play. Yeah, but FBI, tell me about the queen move, bro. Like, I mean, tell me about the queen, the queen sacrifice. How is that? How is the queen sacrifice? The queen sacrifice was god to your move, bro. Like, that was so crazy move. That move was mad insane, bro. Oh, you got here. Yeah, for real. It was just insane. It was just crazy. Queen sacrifice. That was some top move, dog. I liked it. Mm, I liked it. Okay, wait. Well, I got 1, 2. He got 1, 2. So I did not. I think he has a pawn after this trade. Why did I goddamn take this trade? That was stupid. Why did I take this trade, bro? This trade was just weird. Alright, it's fine. If you wanna lose your if you wanna lose your bishop for a knight, I mean for a pawn, that would be weird, right? But he can take back my knight anyways. And he's okay, that was actually a good move, bro. That was actually a very nice move. That was a nice one though. Yeah, that was actually tough. That was tough for real. Mm, yes, I wanted you to just push the pawn. I just wanted that to happen. Just push the pawn. Mm, you know what? I really don't think because this has my queen trapped in here. So if I don't take it, my queen will be cooked. And I already have like fucking double pawns. Anyways, you know? So might as well just take, man. Just double my pawns and open this file. All right, nice one. I don't think I'll castle, bro. Like my entire play my stuff is cooked already, so I can't even castle to begin with. Your upper pawn, bro. That's crazy. But I think I can win back my pawn though, right? Oh, hold on. What? What in the hell is the Harlequin treatment? I don't know what he's trying to play, but whatever he's trying to play, miss me with that. There is really, yeah, playing with the time increment for real. Yeah, man, it's much better. Like you do not play under pressure, and you get to improve your game because you get to think your thoughts. I mean, you get to think your moves through, and yeah. Unless we were playing Blitz, so I really don't like Blitz because you get to play like under pressure, and damn, it's just insane, bro. I mean, I think this is like a good move. All right. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at this. Okay, what is this guy really trying to play with this move? I don't know about it. Okay, if I take, he's just gonna take with check, right? And if I don't take also, if I don't take, but obviously he can take this technically, and it's just gonna annoy me. So whatever it is, I'm really down for whatever. Yeah, I want to protect both of my stuff. I don't care what it takes, bro. Let me just go with it like that. I don't care what it takes. Mm, mm-hmm. This guy is being too aggressive for my liking. I'm not gonna lie. Boy is too aggressive for my liking, bro. Yo. Boy is too aggressive for my liking. Okay, you decided to take like that. So you took the bishop instead. Nice. Hmm. Okay, I'm still up a pawn. I mean, he's still up a pawn, which is crazy. So let me see what he has check I can take. Really, he has no check at all because what the fuck is he gonna check? Right? Yeah, he doesn't have any fucking check. The fuck out of there, boy. The fuck out of there, big fella. The fuck out of my half of the board, bro. Go back. Get the fuck out of there. Yeah, bro. It's actually you're half of the board though. So we are at the center. So I'm chasing you from the center, bro. Go bug, bro. Or go hide somewhere. I feel like you can check me, which is ironic. You can check me. You can check me from the corner, but that check won't really give you anything. It's really pointless. You can check me with the bishop though, which is tough. But I can just block. I can just block with the pawn. And I'm still having some good space. So I'm still good, man. I'm still good. I'm not really getting cooked. So okay. I'm not hanging any peas. No any there's no I don't have unprotected stuff. Bro, why do you want to trade the queens, bro? Sometimes I don't understand you, bro. You like to trade the queens so crazy fast. Should I trade the queens? I think I should definitely trade the queens. Let me trade the queens. Let's go. Wait, hold on. Okay, nice. Look at this castle. Okay, fine. You cannot castle, obviously, because you know you're gonna get cooked, so don't castle. Don't castle, you are gonna get cooked. You castle, still you're gonna get cooked. So that queen trade was kind of helping me, I'm not gonna lie. Because I can now take back my pawn. I just have some stupid pawn structure, but it's fine. I'm perfectly okay with it. Oh God. Yeah. Going there, did it really help? Okay, you wanna hop in here first. So if I play this, you're just gonna defend with the. Oh, this is actually tough. This is actually tough. That was tough. This is actually tough. Yeah, that was tough. That was tough. Let's see what you got up your sleeve, my brother. Oh God. All right. I kind of like that idea of playing like that. But did you forget about this holy grail move? This holy grail move right here. Matter of fact, I think I let me just undouble my pawns real quick. Yes. Let me undouble my pawns real quick. I want to undouble my pawns. Take it, boy. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Oh, nice. So I don't know what the hell. Why do you have that in place? You have this check, but I can take. You have this here, but it's really not. I can take with the knight. So what else do you have? I don't know. Let me just undouble my pawns. See what's going on. Bro, I have a triple ugly pawn structure. God, what? What in the pawn structure is this? Oh, I don't know what the hell that was, but yeah, that wasn't good, bro. That wasn't good. Yeah, bro. You almost got pinned. I actually wanted to pin you this night here, then take it, and then if you take, I take again, we check, and then you pin, and then I double the rooks here. That was gonna be crazy, right? But I still have a good game, though. I'm not gonna lie. I still have a good game, like a crazy good game, actually. Yeah. Mm, I don't think this is a good move, though, right? I really don't think that was a good move. Let me see. I don't think that was a good move. Yes, I don't think that was a good move. I doubt it. Highly doubt it. I highly doubt it that was a good move. Because let's see. Let me first see what you're seeing that I might not be seeing. Taking here I can most definitely take. Nice. I can take. You do not have any other stupid stuff. Well, I have this. That pawn is gone. Nice. Nice. I have a very ugly pawn structure, bro. But regardless, I don't care. I really don't care, bro. I don't care about our pawn structure at all. Alright, boy is trying to prevent me pinning him, but I really don't care about that. Everything on mine is cool. You can just hop in here and this. I can take, hop in here, I can take. Go in here, I cannot take. What else? Hmm. I think we are now equal in material, right? Which is nice. So, that being said, that being said, I think it's safe to go to like up there. If you go here, just go back, bro. If you go here, I mean I take with check, you have to take and I just remove mine. Nice. What are you talking about in the chat, bro? Hi from chat. What's up, my boy? Shallow you, what's popping? FBI. Mm, all right. Mm, 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 mm. Nice game, nice game, game. Hey, nice game, nice game. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Yeah, okay, watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh. Nice game, nice game. I don't know where the hell you go, but oh well. Why did you say oh well? I think I'm up some material, which is nice. Well, I don't want to be surprised by this unnecessary, stupid. So let me just create some loft for my queen, please. Okay, if you may, if you may, just if you may. So I don't want to be surprised. All right, taking the phone wasn't bad. Wasn't a bad idea. Huh? No. Taking this pawn wasn't a bad idea though. I don't think there's any way to save that pawn. Yo, macam hiba. Gicham mi radonga ba jara yo bas gekali ke ba magadio. Ah, yeah, yeah. You should have brought the long ones. What? I'm confused. What is it? I did. Oh. Yeah, boy. Cooked. 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 Butters. Butters. Not yet. Watch. Play. You play. Let me see how you gonna play. Let's see how you gonna play, bro. Yo, you're bunt, bro. You're bunt. Like bunt. You're bunt. Like literal bunt. All right, that's how you're gonna play. Nice. Crazy. Yo, that was good. That was a tough game, bro. That was actually a nice game, bro. That was actually a nice game. I'm not gonna lie. Look who got the ugly pawn structure. Look who got the ugly pawns. Yeah. You got them ugly pawns, boy. Boy, you got them ugly pawns. Mm-hmm. I feel amazing. I feel amazing. What in the hell is this? I'm gonna take this. Let's see what you're gonna play next. I don't care what you're gonna play next. I'm not gonna check your queen. Sorry. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that, bro. Hold on. Let's have a look. What do I have in here? I actually have a nice girl. No, not really. I don't wanna like yeah, I don't wanna do anything stupid. Good. Okay. Matter of fact, I have something. Yes. If you hop in here, yes, but no, it's not really gonna do shit. It's not. Come, 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 come. Go. Go. Bro, bro. Wait, you want to jump? Where do you want to go with your discover check? Yo, that was tough. If I go here, you probably have. No, you don't have any. Okay, you might have this check and this pointless. Jeez. Oh my god, this guy has played, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This guy has cooked, man. Shit. I got cooked? Not yet, not yet. Trust me. Trust me on that. I'm not yet cooked. Okay, he's going for my pawn. No problem. Hmm. Hmm. Nah, bro. Let me try to protect something at least. Hmm. Bro, what? Yes. Nice. Hmm. Wait a minute, bro. Wait a minute. Wait. Is there something I'm missing? Am I missing something? Oh Lord. All right, bro. This is starting to get hard for me. Hmm. Bro, this is starting to get hard for me, bro. So, okay. Let's have a look at how this goes. Oh, I have this pawn to attack. What am I talking about, bro? Yes, yes. Hmm. Oh no, bro. Oh no, bro. Oh no, bro. Okay, 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 okay. Let me not get scared. Let me not get scared. Hmm. Oh my God, bro. What? What in the hell is happening? Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Yo. Yo. Oh my God. What's happening, bro? Hold on. What's really happening? All right, let me see. Let me see what you have. Nice. Hmm. All right, man. I'm gonna get toasted. I'm gonna get toasted. Yeah, bruh. Oh God, I'm gonna get toasted. Oh my God, I can't stop this guy from quitting, bro. I can't, bro. It's okay. Get a queen, get a queen, get a queen. Get a queen, bro. Get a queen, bro. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine, bro. That was gone. Yeah. I've lost, man. It is what it is, bro. Like, I'm just stupid when it comes to like endgame skills, bro. Shit, take your win, my brother. Take your win gladly. Take your win, broski. Why you afraid to take? Why you afraid? Checkmate. It's all good. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Nice one, bro. Oh my God. Let's call it a night, boys. Yeah, GG's, bro. Oh my God. I blundered. I blundered. I blundered. That was bad from my side, though. Yeah, that's chess, bro. That's chess. So, catch you guys tomorrow, bro, after school. Let's go.